How many times have you applied for a job but never been called for a job interview? A lot of times, right? The problem is there are hundreds of applicants applying for each job as same as you, and your traditional resume is not good enough to convince recruiters to invite you for a job interview. And unfortunately, you miss a lot of job opportunities that you deserve and qualified for. I have struggled with the same problem at the beginning of my job search journey. Back then, I couldn't find out why companies never call me back, despite I've applied for a lot of job vacancies. And when I started working in the HR recruitment field, I have found out why companies didn't call me back. And I found out a lot of mistakes in my resume. That's why I created this course, Resume Branding Course, in which I'm going to help you build a strong resume step by step in order to get more job interviews. During this course, you are going to recognize the 3 challenges that face your resume when you're applying for a job, and why companies never call you back, and discover what recruiters look for when screening your resume. Also, identify the common mistakes in resumes that make recruiters reject you, and how to pass the screening stage. You are also going to learn how to write each part of your resume in an attractive and convincing way, and how to present your qualifications in a strong and credible form. Also, you will learn the best way to apply for a job, and how to get more job interviews. This is not a traditional CV writing course, because you are going to learn advanced technique in writing, presenting, and branding your qualifications in resume, which will double the number of interviews you get. Take this course now and don't miss more job opportunities. And don't forget to watch the free videos available here to make sure this is the right course for you. Register now and see you in the next lecture.